Hey there, construction managers. Ever felt the sting of project delays because of system crashes or internet outages? I know, it's frustrating. I'm here to tell you how to keep your projects moving and your profits growing with Impress IT Solutions in West Houston. Imagine this. Your crew is on site, ready to start the day, but suddenly your systems go down. Now your workers are idle, deadlines are slipping, and bids are at risk. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. At Impress.t, we get the unique challenges of the construction industry. We offer managed IT services that minimize downtime and maximize profit. Here's how we do it. First, proactive monitoring and rapid response. Our team watches your systems 24/7, spotting issues before they become problems. Real-time network monitoring and lightning-fast local support mean less downtime and more uptime. More uptime equals more profit. Next, we provide cloud and communication tools that work anywhere, anytime. With Microsoft 365 and cloud file sharing, your teams stay connected and collaborative. VoIP phone systems and project collaboration platforms keep everyone in the loop, eliminating bottlenecks and delays. Data protection, we've got you covered. Automated backups and rapid recovery plans ensure your data is always safe. Ransomware protection and business continuity planning keep your operations running smoothly no matter what. Finally, we align your IT strategy with your financial goals. Our scalable infrastructure grows with your projects, technology roadmaps prevent unexpected costs, and optimized workflows keep things efficient. So, why wait? Reduce downtime and boost profitability with Impress IT Solutions. Keep your teams online, your projects on schedule, and your profits growing. Partner with Impress IT Solutions today and build smarter, earn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.